Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will try to learn about Siemens PLC S7-300 latch and unlatch output. How we can latch and unlatch output of the Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our SIMATIC Manager software, and click on Finish. We will make a new and fresh project and simply go to the PLC and click on Upload Station to PG. And here you can click on View and now you can find your CPU which is connected with your PC. CPU 314 IFM is connected with my PC. Click OK and again click on View and click OK. Now which program is inside your PLC, that will be backed up, and you can see here is SIMATIC 301 is now open, and here you can click on blocks and open object, and after you will find which program is inside your PLC, that will be shown. That old program I will delete and we will make the new program. And first of all, I will make little zoom factor open and 150 we will select after little good to visible. One more we can make also 200%, little big. It's very simple and easy. Click on open button. Here also you can choose, and here in the pit logic also you can choose this one, open contact. And after next I will choose this one, output address, and here input address. And this address I will give internal memory also address we can give, and external memory also we can give. External memory I will give I 124.0 is my first input of the PLC, and this one we will give the number also same Q 124.0 is our Q 124.0 is our first input address, first output address, so, and here we will click on this next row and simply here we will take the open contact of the Q124.0, because of when signal we will give to the Q124.0, after this will be take voltage from the direct this line, and this line we will make it a branch, and here we can take the close contact of the I124.1. I124.1. Okay, and then this program we will download to the PLC and click on download, and when message came at the block loaded, that means your program is successfully downloaded to your PLC. And after go to the monitor section, and after your program will be shown and your PLC is in the run mode. Now when you give the signal at I124.0, after your first input will be latched. I will give one signal and after off the I input. Now you can see my input is now off but my output is now on because of it's now running from the open contact of the Q100.24.0. And as I give the signal at 124.1, after this will be stop. You can see now your output is off. So one method is this for latch and unlatch, and one is more method that's now I explain. Now stop the simulation and we will go in the next row and click on this one I 124.2, and next we will make this one, choose from here this one set, and here we can make the Q124.2, and in next line we will take one more open contact and one output we will take, and this signal I will write I124.3, and here we will write this, sorry, we have to be take this one reset, this we have to be take this reset Q124.2, and this address we will replace I124.3, sorry, I124.3, because of when we give the signal at I124.2, that Q124.2 will be go to set, and when we give the signal at I124.3, after Q124.2 will be go to reset. So this program we will download and go to the monitor mode, and now I give the signal at I124.2, 124.2 I will give the signal. This is the reset. Oh sorry, this address we will write the right wrong because of I am giving the signal but it not accepted. Why? Because of this address we will write wrong. One will forget. 124 we have to be right. We write just 24. So this cannot be go to set. So again download and monitor mode make it on. Now when I give the signal at 124.2, you can see your output Q 124.2 is now on. But you can see this signal I removed, but still your output is on. So when I give the signal at I 124.3, after this will be go reset. You can see now is output is off. So second method is this one. You can use also for on and off set reset, or this latch unlatch look like. And one more method I will explain you. Stop the simulation and go to here. Just one command, reset set and set reset. Both are same function, but little difference. That reset will be up and that set will be up. So I will choose this one, set reset. You can see just one block when you used only for this one on end of the command. Here you have to be give just only Q, for example 124.5, and here you can give the signal at I 124.4, and here also we will give the open contact of the I 124.5, and just your on off control will be completed. That's I give the download to the PLC and make the monitor mode. And now you can see your command is ready, and as I give the signal at I 124.4, you can see your Q 124.5 is now on. I removed the signal, but this output is now on. So when I give the signal at I 124.5, after your output is now can see the off. Same as this one, also this can be used a reset set. This one is set reset, same function but little different. This set will be upside and reset will be downside, and in this function reset will be go upside and set function will be go downside. So this is the easiest method to latch and unlatch the output of Siemens PLC S7-300. Hope guys you will be understand about this function. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.